So it's time for some more marvellous maths. Are you feeling ready to warm up those brains? Great stuff. Let's play a little game of what's my number? I will show you a number and you will shout out what that number is. You might even show me on your own fingers. Ready, set, what's my number? What's my number? What's my number? Did you shout out the numbers that I showed? Great stuff. Let's make it a little bit more fun this time. Can you use a funny little alien voice like this? Or maybe a gruff, friendly monster voice just like this? Get your voices ready. I'm going to show you the numbers again and you shout them out in your funny voices. Ready, set, go. What's my number? What's my number? What's my number? Well done, everybody. That did sound really funny. Let's use our funny voices again, but we're going to count backwards from 10. All together. Funny voices. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Why don't you have a go at doing that all on your own, or maybe with one of your family or friends in your home? Just have a little bit of fun counting backwards from 10 or from 20. Pause the video now to go and have a go of that. Okay, now it's time to recap our learning from yesterday, where we were practicing lots of number bonds that we know to help us get really confident in solving maths problems. Let's take a closer look.
Say the numbers you see. Sabotage. How many do you see? You have to say them quickly. How many now? Can you count all of these quickly? Will you spot any groups to count on from? You know this number. Wow, that's a great number. And you know this. Pause the video now and rewind if you'd like to do that activity again.
And that's what we practiced yesterday, putting amounts together to make more. We were practicing our addition skills, but did you know the opposite of making more is making less or taking away? Do you remember how to do it? We're taking away, it's gone. For example, here we go. I have got 1, 2, 3 apples. If I take one away, taking away, it's gone. It's all gone. I have got 2 left. 2 is less than 3. Let's make a number sentence out of my example. I had 3 apples and I took away 1. I gobbled it up. And that left me with 2. That's right. So let's say the number sentence. 3 take away 1 leaves 2. Let's have a think about another subtraction example. Here I have represented an amount. I'm going to pretend this is sweeties. I love sweeties and I want to take some away. But how many sweeties do I have to begin with? Count and check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 altogether to begin with. I have 8 in total. How many sweeties should I take away? I think I'm going to take away 3. But what will that leave me? What will I be left with? Do you think you can help me to work out the answer? 8 take away 3. Let's count backwards from 8. And we're going to count back 3 fingers, 3 steps. And the number that we end on is the amount that we will have left. Let's try it together. Thinking. We're putting 8, our total amount, in our head. 8. and we're going to count back 3 fingers. Ready? 8 in your head, count back from 8. 7, 6, 5. Look, I've got my 3 fingers, my 3 sweeties that I have taken away, and the number I've ended on is of course 5. 8 take 3 leaves us 5. Shall we check that this answer is right? Let's go back to my sweetie example. I've got 8 altogether and I take away 1, 2, 3. Taken away, it's gone. We said the answer is 5, but let's count and check to make sure that we're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8 take 3 leaves 5. I wonder if you'll be able to try counting back in your taking away sentences today. Let's try with one last example. This time I've got an amount of hearts drawn on my board because I love maths. How many hearts are represented on my board? Count and check. Let's check together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 altogether. My total is 10. I want to take some away though, because I like taking away today. I would like to take away 8. 10 take away 8 in our head, counting back from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold on, I've gotten to 8 fingers and the last number I said was 2. 10 take 8 leaves 2. Shall we check and see if we're right with our drawing? Here is my 10. We are going to count back from 10 and see if it leaves us with 2. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. I have crossed off 8 and I am left with 1, 2. So that's right. 10 take away 8 leaves us with 2. And that's going to be your activities for today. You're going to be practicing your subtraction skills. You will be taking away it's gone and less. Now, if you're doing the comfort task, we would like for you to pretend to be a subtraction monster. Subtraction Susan, maybe. Maybe you'll get a teddy or a toy or anything to help you. Show the sentence, say the sentence. And then, if you're still ready to do some more, you can move on to the challenge task. So do you remember, Subtraction Susan, or any takeaway monster for that matter, loves to eat takeaway sentences. They love to take away amounts. But what amounts will you draw out to feed the monsters? I've done some here. Here's my little Subtraction Susan. She's very friendly, but she does like to eat. I've got some chocolate bars as a number sentence here. I've got some oranges. 8 take away an amount leaves this amount. I've even gone for a number that's greater than 8 and taken away 8 from it to see what we'd be left with. Have a go at that for your challenge task, and if you're still ready to do more, have a try of the danger task, where we've got lots of word problems for you to read through, think carefully about, and prove your answer. Perhaps if you really want to push yourself, you may use a number line today. Now, have fun with your working today, everyone. Remember, your teachers are available on Dojo if you need us. Bye-bye.